Hi there, this is Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, the XP Realty in Naples SW Florida, and I'm at another new listing that we have here. It's located close in Golden Gate Estates, and check out the soaring ceilings. It's a 4-bed, 4-bath, all ensuite. And this is definitely what living in paradise is all about. There's a master back through the French doors. We have a detailed 3D tour and other information, so I'll put that down here in the description. But anyway, reach out to Kim or myself with the Hoey team here in Naples, West Florida. It's one of a number of listings that we've just brought to the market, and inventory is low right now, so we've got a lot of people moving here from all parts of the US, and reach out to us, we can help. We're the exclusive listing agents for this property. Alrighty, we'll chat soon, and bye for now.